into this DIY centerpiece. So first I want to say this vase I got from the thrift store. It was only $5. It definitely goes with the aesthetic. Y'all know I love blue and golds. So when I saw this on Amazon, it had blue and golds, and I was like, oh my God, this is gonna be perfect. So secondly, I want to say this was very tedious. A lot came into the pack. It was very affordable, and all of this is real. So nothing is synthetic or plastic. This is actually dried, whatchamacallits, I don't know, wheat. I mean, even this stuff here is authentic, and it was growing and alive at some point. So here I am just trying to assemble it. I actually stuffed the bottom of it with paper towels so that it could sit up high enough because the vase is kind of deep. So this was pretty tedious. I even think I started over at one point because it just wasn't giving what I wanted to give. And even to this day, this is old. It actually sits much better, I guess, after gravity and some time had went past. But all in all, I feel like it was worth it because it came out so beautiful and definitely goes with the decor of my apartment, and it just looks perfect. Here you can see like me adding the last touches, this dark blue. Those actually smelled really good. It's, you know, if you ever had like dry potpourri, those are definitely included, just not in this stalk form, but I felt like these kind of just set it off. So I'm pretty much done at this point. Another thing is you can see all those little crumbs and little dry flakes. It is a little messy, so you don't want to do this near carpet. Just go ahead and do it on your table so that you can just sweep all this stuff off. For the first couple weeks, it was shedding, and that's why at this point I just don't even touch it because, you know, anything that's dry will kind of flake off. What else? I don't remember the price, but if you want this bushel, this arrangement, I am linking it in the description. It's definitely on my Amazon storefront under home decor. Yeah. And I'm glad I captured this. Look at those little things wisping with the fan, and at this point I think I had the AC on and the fan going, so it's just really pretty. Definitely chic and classy. It just goes with the whole aesthetic. It's like a little something, but just right. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and go get one.